Alright, at this center you're going to be finding the 5-number summary, and remember that the 5-number summary consists of the minimum value of the data, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum value. So since again we have that word median in here, when we think median, the way we find that is finding the center of the data, so we need to make sure that we put these in order from least to greatest. So let's take a look at our data. The smallest number that I have out of all these values is 23. So we're going to put 23 first. The next one is going to be 25. Then after 25, we have 30. And then we have 32. Then we have 33. And 34. Then we have 34 again over here. So we have two 34s. And we had 35 that are marked off. And 37. And finally 48. Now at this point you should be looking at your data and then counting it to make sure that you put all the numbers down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you confirm that you have all that data down, then you can go ahead and start counting in so that we can find the median. So we go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now in this case, right, we have a little bit of a problem. Our middle consists of two numbers. So in order to find the median, we have to add those two together and then divide them by 2. So we have 33 plus 34 divided by 2. And if you want to, you could put this in your calculator all as one thing, or you can do it in separate parts. It's up to you. So I'm going to move this up just a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and work this out, and we're going to see what our median is. I'm going to write median right here because that's what that's going to be. So let's work that out. Alright, so our numbers are going to be 33 plus 34, and I'm going to do mine in two different steps. I'm going to hit enter, add it together, and then I'm going to divide by 2 and put a decimal after it, so it gives me a decimal value, and that gives me 33.5. So let's go ahead and document that. That's 33.5, and that's going to be our median. So we got one of these done, so I'm going to put a check by median. So now we need to go ahead and find our Q1. So in this situation, I'm going to draw a dotted line in between those two values. 33 is not our median, it's 33.5. So we want to count in from 33 and from 23 until we find the number that's in the middle. So we come in. Notice that 30 is in the middle. So 30 is going to be our Q1. And if we come back over here to the right side of the data and we count in, then we have 35, and that's going to be our Q3. And now we just have two more things. We found Q1 and Q3. We need our minimum, which is 23, and our maximum, which is 48. And then we're done. We can go ahead and list these. If we were to write these out, we could actually write a statement, and we could list it such as this. We could say our minimum first, 23, comma, Q1, which is 30, comma, our mean, which is 33.5, comma, Q3, which is 35, and our maximum value, which is 48. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is min, Q1, the median, Q3, rephrase that, Q3, and the maximum value. So all of our numbers are accounted for, and that's our 5-number summary.